how to manage your account login settings on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. First thing, go to your Patreon and log into your account, then you will find this home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple, just follow with me. Go to the top corner right here on your profile picture and then go down here to my profile settings. After you click on my profile settings, now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on account and here you will find your login settings. As you can see, you can change the password, you can connect your Facebook or your Google, you can also manage two-factor authentication for more security. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.